Hey, how you doing? Here to talk about an upgrade to a bedini with the wheel oscillator to increase power output and add safety to the transistor, the main transistor. I noticed bedini, not that I've looked at all his work, but I've noticed it's not in there, and I'd like to help anyone that's designing them to do better. So I'll show you my circuit here where you can see it really good. There it is. Okay, you can pause the video to write it down. I replaced this with a 390 ohm. It should be about a 2-watt resistor or greater, so it won't burn out because I'm pulling a lot of power. Right here is what I added. This is what I like to call a peaker diode. The reason I call it that is because it's not in the original bedini circuit here. See, it goes right down to the power source. Well, what it does is it helps to protect the transistor because it's the same polarity as the emitter, and it adds voltage protection. It's a 1N4001, and when the voltage spikes here, it helps protect the transistor from the back collector current, which can destroy your transistor. And it's very small. Now you can't really see it here. It's really small. It's right here. I'm trying to, just give you a helping hand, and I noticed this really helped my output because there's no leakage in the collector because of this diode. And be careful how you hook it up. Make sure it's just like this. Source, diode, and then the transistor. I don't want to see you burn up anything. I mean, if you hook it up wrong, it might just mess up that transistor. So, really good picture of it. Same polarity as the emitter. And I get a better power output. This is a 25 watt. Well, actually, what's going on is the camera's frequency is actually not the bulb frequency. So it looks like it's going all the way out, but it's really not because of the pulse rate of the video screens of the camera. Anyway, circuit diagram here. I have the bedini circuit, run battery, same as the schoolgirl circuit. If you remember way back when, the peaking diode on the emitter. That goes to a microwave oven transformer. And then that goes to my light bulb, which is a 25 watt CFL light bulb. Here. Wires go over to the microwave oven transformer, and then into the bedini output. And this guy here is a little extra. This is a big block of steel, not connected to anything. But what it does is, when I slide it up to the bedini, it reduces cogging of this coil, or resistance, to the spin of the wheel, and it also imports more power to the light. So I'm lighting you know how you get a CFL light bulb from the dollar store or wherever, it says input 25 watts, output is like a 60 watt or 100 watt light bulb. So what I'm doing is lighting up a 25 watt CFL bulb without all the guts that go with it. I just took it out. And my voltage spikes are very high, in the hundreds, almost, I'd say 800 volts, coming out of this microwave oven transformer, and everything's going really well. And the transistor is running cold. Everything's cold. Input current, 1/2 amp. Wheels spinning at about 120 RPM. Alright. Give this a shot because it will improve your power and it will protect this transistor. And thanks for watching.